Hey, what's up, YouTube.com? I wanted to make a video about content creation and why you shouldn't care about your quality of your videos and just worry about getting the reps in. This is going to be a pretty quick concept, pretty easy, so just chill. Um, and it's pretty much just because through your repetition, like lifting weights and stuff like that, you're going to be making videos that are just higher in quality over a long period of time. And if you just spend less time thinking about it and just more time doing it, you will discover that you are getting better at it. So the thing that jumps out of my mind that I tried to remember from last night, and I did successfully remember from last night, is that your 500th video is going to be a lot better than your 10th video. So just get to your 500th video. I mean, you can try to shortcut it. You probably won't be able to because if you care about the process at all, you're going to it's really going to mess with you. But if you get to your 500th video, all the repetitions and everything you've done to get there, especially if you have the mentality that I want to improve, so you'll try, more music, better delivery, better edits, whatever style you decide to go for. There's no like there's 100 ways to skin a cat. You know what I'm saying? So like me, I try to practice without editing so that when I turn the camera on and deliver, I don't have that to fall back on. Like, oh, I can fix this in post. Because at a time when I was making content, I was fixing it in post, but then that ended up taking too much time, and it just made me not feel right because I want to deliver, I want to communicate a message, I want to appear more authentic because I want to be authentic. I want to, all these different things that make me feel like a content creator that I want to be. Essentially, like I want to be a teacher, like I would be in a classroom, and in a classroom in a live environment when you're with your kids and stuff like that, or whoever you're teaching. You can't just edit the problem away. And I mean, I'm not knocking editing and stuff like that. I'm just saying this is an example of like why it's important to just get on there, get on the platform, and get creating, and just get experiencing, just start experiencing the format, start experiencing the environment. So again, one more time, just start creating content. Stop thinking about it because your 500th video is going to be better than your 10th video. So your 10th video is going to be better than your first video. Your 100th video, you know what I'm saying? It goes on and on forever and ever. So just start creating. Stop thinking about it. Just keep going. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Also, down in the description below, I'm going to be having a link to a Discord where I'm going to attempt to coach people. I have a few channels with a few hundred subs. Um, and as I learn, I want to try to teach people and just collaborate with people and just talk and create environments where we're all just creating together. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.